Hello, people of Nerdstream Army. Let's get rid of this. Hello, Nerdstream Army. Ken King coming at you hot with first episode of Codename Cure. You're just going, oh my god. Oh, we gotta find a server. Hopefully. Oh, there we go. So yeah, today playing Codename Cure. I always have trouble deciding between whether or no. Oh, okay. Saw the Circle of Death. Let's just lower that volume a little bit. So I went with Assault. Loading. Okay, Assault. There we go. Well, this must be a new level because I have never played this one. It's 10 minutes of surviving onslaught. Cool. Well, is this insane difficulty? Hello, hello, fellow players, Codename Cure. Well, I'm going to try and distance myself. Okay. Now stuff's getting intense. Ooh. Oh, you're my team. Sorry, bro. I think the key to this is pure movement. Just keep moving. Don't let them touch you. I'm gonna try and be a distraction for my team. Build up a zombie train. Because with me moving, they're more able to focus on the rush. So that's my plan. If I keep moving, if I keep moving, they'll be able to target and track them easily. And I'm more of a distraction. Gotta wash my back. My team seems to be holding up fairly decently. Oh, I like that effect when you shoot the water, you actually see. This reminds me of the, I believe it's the Japanese swamp from Call of Duty Black Ops. So right now, I'm out of bullets. God. You know, attempt a grenade. This is not looking good. I need some help. I need some help. This is not looking good. What happened, everybody? Oh, okay. My last grenade. Oh, what a good use, though. Ayúdame, por favor. Gracias. Looks like Spanish class finally paid off. I'm on very low health. I need ammo for this gun. So it seems like my plan is working so far. If I just keep constantly moving, they're not able to land any shots on me. Still no ammo. Oh god, I'm dead. 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 I'm dead. I'm screwed. There's nowhere for me to go. I am all out of grenades. We're literally cornering ourselves. It's over. It's over. I think the important thing is just to keep moving and not die. Come on, come on. I don't even know how to get ammo. Oh, no, no, no! What are they doing over there? I'm leading the world's largest zombie race, the Zombie Grand Prix. Oh, backup. Thank the Lord. Look at my aiming. I'm terrible. Oh, there we go. That was better. Back off my team. Back off my teammate. Grenades could be totally used right now. I'm dying. And there's no way to give myself up for the cause. I'm actually enjoying this. I have to find more levels that are like this. I need health. I need ammo. Please tell me the supply chest has something. Oh, and it's gone. It's gone. Yes. My grenades. Come on, refuel my grenades. At least I have something. So this is the team strategy, holding up in this one little corner. Okay. Makes sense. Yeah. Figured. Look at this ad. I was gonna go out and try and see if I can get some health, but I was unable to. Anyway, right now we're watching Zambies. That's how I'm gonna pronounce it. Looks like everybody else is doing pretty well. Huh. Zambies has his light on. Yeah. I hope to be coming back soon. Oh, Noxious Fox. This looks like it's going down. I'm not sure if I'll be coming back in this level. Zambies just died. Oh, okay, I'm back. Back by popular demand. I'm going to stick to my previous plan. Didn't prove beneficial, but it's easier than
He's on the phone. He's asleep.
It's a lot easier than just staying protected in one tiny spot.
Hmm?
Oh, I have 3 grenades again? That's beautiful. Oh, I ran into a wall, ran into a wall. Come on, keep going, keep going. I'm actually doing pretty well fending for myself. Well, this is not good. This is not ending as planned. Although I'm not going to waste... Yes, we survived our 10 minutes. 105 kills. You know, I'm proud of that. I'm not going to lie. Most rounds, I'm still hitting like 25 kills. And it doesn't make me happy. You know, but I actually feel like I did something. I feel like if you fall down there, it's death. Not going to test that theory. Ooh. There's always a grace period before I like to say they go hostile. If I jump down there, will I effectively perish? Oh, hostile grace period's over. Okay. This was not a good idea. The key to these things is movement. You can't stay still. You stay still, you effectively corner yourself. Grenade. I don't really care. I killed myself, sacrificed myself really for the good of my team. It's going pretty well. I cracked the knuckles. Oh, I'm back. No, I didn't want that. My game is slightly lagging. I have no idea why. I guess you can walk on these pipes. What's up, noxious fox? Oh. This is not good. Hopeless worm, good to see you, bro. So if I try something stupid like this, yeah, I figured. It was a dumb move. Dumb on my part. I don't know why I thought that might work. I thought, maybe I could cheat the game. If I stay on the pipes, and effectively just shoot from an upper angle, they'd fall down into the sewer. Excuse me. Oh, grilled cheese and be less of a problem. But I was wrong. Looks like Noxious Foxes is done. Now we're just left with Joyex Bouffons. Bouffons. It's a nice name, no? Yes, very nice. He's just working his turret. Love how he hasn't even fired his gun yet. We're back. Enough of this, just waiting around stuff, trying stuff out. I think I've learned enough about the map. Going out with Hopeless Bookworm. Whatever's back here, I'm gonna check out. I guess it's nothing. Oh god, they're coming. But it's time to get back. Oh, go, go. Gotta add your own intense theme music. I know I'm wasting bullets, but why did I die? What is that? I showed no signs of being attacked and I died. From what the turret probably killed me. Hey, Noxious Fox, just get out. It's my spot. This is a bad spot to choose. Never mind. Never mind. Not my spot. Not my spot. Anybody's spot. It's open to the public. Not JK. I'm not gonna tell you how good that feels. Oh, Noxious Fox is down. Noxious Fox is down. Oh, he's right over there. I meant to jump across. And I effectively left Noxious Foxes alone. Yeah. My bad, Noxious. Sorry. Crushed it. Ah. Bye, not. Oh. Goody golly gracious. I was about to say bye, Noxious. Okay. Oh! Oh! I keep falling. I'm not trying to fall. Joyfex Buffons. He's dead. Mission failed. Again. Oh, I thought I was alone. If I can't jump on the boxes, then I don't need the boxes. Cool guys don't look at explosions. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Where did this horde come from? Forget the grace period. No grace. None. No, that's just a grenade situation. Come on, come on, Bookworm. We gotta go. No, Bookworm, you're not dead, are you? Please don't say you're dead, Bookworm. Oh, I'm screwed. I'm screwed. I do throw a grenade behind me. I just effectively threw 2 grenades. Come get some. Come get some. Yes. Teammates. Teammates. What did I die for? I'm back. I was left alone for a period of time, but I think I handled that situation rather well considering the circumstance. I got you, Buffons. Okay, I'm out. This is not a good situation. Worm is dead. Buffons is dead. I'm alone. Might as well call this mission quitsies. How many grenades do I have left? Ah, 81 kills. Okay, I'll take it. I'll take it. Then I'm gonna play this last one, and then I'm gonna call it quits. Sniper? Nah. Assault. It's only us two? Okay. Yo, hopeless. Let's stay together. Keep moving, keep moving. I don't care about your ad. Yeah, why does he keep doing that? Oh, I can't jump on top of the car. Hey, what's up, Nesty? Let's try and stay together. Cause I mean, I don't know if you've been spectating, but whenever we try doing stuff alone, whenever we try to do stuff alone, it kind of sucks. And I don't know why my frame rate's so up. There it is, it's back. I think because this game's kind of buggy when it comes to advertising. It always like plays ads in the back. I go around back. Nope, but I can run through. Am I alone? Ah! If I was a sniper, I would have done incendiaries. And every time I stand still, there's always one just like right behind me to take away that tiniest bit of health. That's just great. Thanks! So, effectively, you can't stand anywhere alone. Yes, team! Watch out, watch out! Of course. You got this, worm. You got this. Yeah, I think after this round, even if we fail, I'm gonna call it quits. Get him, worm. Get him. Oh, good job though. Good job. Like props. Minecraft peaks pert. You guys got this. Just keep going in circles. Keep going in circles, Minecraft. Player Jesus Christ, join Team Spectator. Oh, mission failed. Okay. My last game, guys. Bye. You know, fine. This is my last game, okay? It's intended to be played on insane difficulty. Good luck. Anybody else think they honestly, the creator of this game honestly just took the, took dog sounds and looped them? What's with the animation of the attack? Like, grenade. Yeah, okay. I'm actually going now. Before I leave, just wanna tell everybody that it's been fun. Thank you for watching this Nerd Stream Army premium content. It's exclusive.